If you're invisible for one day, what will you do?
I would go fly to another country, not pay for a flight.
Oh, follow up, which country?
Somewhere in Europe.
Wow.
Siguro papasok ako sa napakagandang bahay. Papasukin ko para makita ko lang yung laman ng bahay.
Thank you, Mike.
Go to the ladies' change room.
What will you do?
Rob a bank.
I'll go with him. Rob the bank. I'm robbing the bank with him. Robbing the bank with him. Because I want a car.
I have to rob the bank with them too.
Sukin ko yung kwarto ni Bongbong Marcos. O kaya yung yung opisina ni Bongbong Marcos for one day. Titingnan ko lang kung ano mga ganap niya.
Secretly, go inside the airplane and travel the world, ganyan.
Wala ko na nakawin ko yung bangko. Joke.
Common, no? Common sagot. Why not? Oo, why not?
Travel din.
Trouble them.
Oo,
Hindi ka na
same.
magpapaalam nun.
Hindi na.
Invisible eh.
Para magkaroon ako ng break.
I don't know. Do some dancing or something.
I will go to the Philippines and visit my mom.
This is Conrad of Conrad Connects, Talk That Connects.